Hi, how you doing? My name is Dara and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the video today, I'm checking out the Mono GamerWave microphone with my friends at Mono actually sent over to me, and I wanted to check it out to see what it has to offer. Now, this is a budget microphone and it's USB-C compatible with your iPhones, iPads, Androids, and your computers because on the box it comes with a USB-C cable which has a USB-A attachment to it also, so it makes it versatile for all your content creation needs, either you're on the go or you're in the studio, just like this one. Now, I have this boomed onto a microphone and with the adapter that comes on the box, but it also comes with a desk stand like so, which you can put far away. As need be for your own case, but I generally would advise you get a boom arm to use with any microphone you're using, so the microphone is actually as close as possible to you to get the best quality audio from your mouth. And one thing about the Mono Gamer Wave microphone is that it's got the RGB colors. As you can see, it's glowing in my face right now, and it has some nice function buttons at the top of it. So currently it is in the default ish mode because I've not done any sort of settings to it. But at the top of it here, you have the RGB button. If I press this, it will cycle through the RGB colors and it could go multi RGB mode at the very last phase of it. And if I press it down for 2 seconds, the RGB goes off. So if you want to look non RGB, you can do that. And if you need to bring it back on for any reason whatsoever, you can just press the button. But I, for the rest of this video, I'll leave the RGB lights on so it's sort of glowy in my face. And on the other side, you have the mute and noise cancelling function button. One tap mutes the microphone. So if I tap it once, press it back again, the light comes on, and then you can hear my audio back again. And if I press it down for 2 seconds, it toggles the noise cancelling feature. Currently at default mode, the noise cancelling feature of the Gamer Wave microphone is actually on. So if I press it down for 2 seconds, it turns off. So let's go do that right now. Press it down for 2 seconds, and the noise cancelling feature is now off. Do you notice any difference in the sound you're getting out of this? I'm not sure. I'll have to listen back to the audio when I'm done recording this video. And then if I press it back for 2 seconds, the noise cancelling feature is back on. And I think this is necessary if especially you're streaming and you don't know so much about audio or recording and you just want the microphone to do the work for you. This will come in really handy. And the reason I actually have this boomed to me, which I'm mentioning again, is that the closer the microphone is to you, the better the quality of the audio you get. Now, if I was to move a bit further away, you would notice the kind of audio you get in from the microphone. Yes, it will still capture audio, but not the best quality it would. So, advisable you move as close as possible. You get it on a boom arm. You can check out budget boom arms on Amazon or wherever you're shopping from to get a boom arm. Or if you like to have constant branding, you can get check out the Mono boom arm for yourself. But I would, if I was to use this personally, I would be having this on the boom arm as close to me as possible for my stream. And I think this is nice enough because my boom arm allows me to actually move things around on my desk and I can have it actually focus. So if I'm doing voiceovers or I'm recording video or streaming, I have my webcam looking straight at me and I have the microphone focused on my screen so I can actually have an interaction. But of course, it can still be on my desk this way and still be looking at me, but it will be a bit farther away, which I am not sure I would really be needing to. So, and the reason why I'm able to boom it also like this is that in the box you get the boom arm adapter, the 3/4 inch adapter, which you can replace this with. But if you don't have a boom arm, you can always use the handy desk stand that comes with the microphone, which I think is really super nice. But this is the way I would be using it from day to day if I'm recording stuff. And because it's close to me enough now, I am comfortable with the level of audio I'm hearing. And now, one thing I've not done in this video is that I have not modified the audio in any way. I'm recording straight into my recording software, and talking of recording software, this is compatible with multiple recording software like Audacity, Premiere Pro. If you're recording directly in the Premiere Pro, with your Adobe Audition, I'm using NCH Mixpad in my case, and it's working just perfectly well. And also, it's plug and play. Simply means you just plug into your device and it's good to go. And speaking about plug and play, also, Once you plug it into your mobile devices also, you can use that as a microphone or even listening back to audio coming from your devices. And speaking about price, you can actually check out the Mono GamerWave microphone on Amazon or the Mono website. I'll drop a link in the video comments and also as a pin comment for you to actually check out and see for yourself what I mean by it's really budget and pocket friendly. And if you ask me who I think this microphone is meant for, I would say it's meant for content creators looking to upgrade their setup from the normal device microphone and not wanting to break the bank. So beginners who want to actually get into content creation and have good quality audio at a budget. So you're looking at something under $50, something under $60, something under $40. This will come in and now depending on the country you're in, at the time of recording this video, this microphone on the Mono website just comes under $33, which I think is really, really budget enough because for the quality mono microphones actually offer this and at the price point for the quality it offers, this is a great deal and a great steal for content creators to actually take advantage of. And I'll say check it out if you really like it. If you're getting value for this video so far, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any videos just like this one. And if you ask me what I like about this microphone, I think it's the fact that it's lightweight and it's budget and it is good for anyone looking to start their content creation journey. And as I mentioned, I've not done any modification whatsoever to this audio recording at all. And this is the raw quality you're actually hearing directly from the microphone. So let me even know in the comment section if you like the audio you're hearing from this. And the reason I don't have this video scripted is because I wanted to be raw. I wanted to be like I was using this without actually having to think about anything. And that is why I'm recording this way. And this is what I'll do for any of my microphones that I'm getting. I'll make it as close as possible to my mouth so I do not get, feedbacks and stuff. And one thing, speaking about feedback, is the pop filter here helps protect your video audio from having some plosives and some sibilants, so the p p p and the b b b and the s s s s s. It protects you from it because it sort of rejects those noise. And one thing is that the microphone is also a cardioid polar pattern, which means it captures audio from the front of the microphone and rejects all the noise from the back to a considerable level. So if you want to record straight into the microphone and not sideways or sideways or from the top. You don't want to do that. You want to be skin directly into the microphone like so. And as I mentioned, you can always use the deck stand if you don't have a budget for a boom arm yet. But I strongly recommend that you get a boom arm so you can get the microphone as close to you as possible. And you don't have to go, all techie boom arms. Like you can get the $20 ones and the $30 ones on Amazon if you are on a very strict budget. But this microphone I think is really great, even if you're using this with a deck stand. Although you have to think about bringing it as close to you as possible when you're recording your audio or streaming or being in your meetings. And speaking about meetings, this microphone has a 3.5 millimeter jack in front of it, which makes it nice for your meeting. So you can set it as the input output device for your meeting, Skype, Zoom, um, Microsoft Teams, Discord, whatever meeting software you're actually using. This can serve as the input output device for it. So it's your one stop shop for actually having your audio get recorded and hearing yourself back in your meetings. I mentioned earlier in this video that I would prefer to use this microphone with a boom arm, and the reason for that is because I have it stood on the desk in front of me right now, and this is what the audio sounds like, even at the maximum gain adjustment level. I have it about 30 centimeters away from my mouth. You can see the literal distance. It literally is about this distance from my mouth. And ideally, if I was streaming or making meetings or recordings and it stood on my desk, this is the way it would stand because I wouldn't want it hindering my keyboard. I wouldn't want it hindering any other thing. But of course, I can still find ways to put it in other locations on my desk. But this is the way it will be standing on my desk. And I still want to be able to speak directly into it. If I move around, you see the audio goes sort of faint. And as I do that, you get the sort of vibes that comes out of it. And of course, this is still good. This is to capture good audio as I can actually see the audio wave signal on my recording software. But you generally want to bring it as close as possible to your mouth so you do get the best quality of audio that you can get out of the microphone, and it captures all those deepness and makes your audio sound more professional. But of course, putting on the desk definitely also works, but you might need to actually speak a bit louder, and also you might need to adjust the gain to the maximum level and then do some after post production in the audio to actually make it sound really super duper great. And that's how it looks standing on the desk. And I think this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss videos just like this one. And let me know in the comment section if you actually think this microphone is a great quality and something you would want to get. But till I come your way again with another video on my channel, I will say stay safe and goodbye. You should check out the Maono GamerWave microphone.